in Microsoft Excel. We know that Excel has many built-in formats that you can use: currency, accounting, date, time, percentage, etc. If you cannot find the right format, you can create a custom number format. How do you add a text into a number automatically? You can also add text to your number. For example, add ft for feet or cm for centimeter. For that, just click on cell and enter the value. Right click, format cell, then click custom, then type .0 sorry. You can see you remember that we only changed the appearance of this number, not the number itself. You can still use this number in your calculations. You can see a live preview is in here, then click OK. Number has changed its appearance only. If you click another number and click, automatically comes 45.3 ft. Okay, you can see another number. Okay, through this video we introduced about how to add text in Microsoft Excel. I think you have understood my words. If you are at first time in this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you very much.